In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recovery email on Proton Mail. Setting up a recovery email is a smart way to add an extra layer of security to your account, ensuring you can regain access if you ever forget your password. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. To start, you'll need to log into your Proton Mail account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Proton Mail website. Once you're on the home page, enter your login credentials and access your inbox. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the next step. In the top right corner of your Proton Mail interface, you'll notice a gear icon labeled as Settings. Click on this icon to open the Settings menu. This menu is where you can customize various aspects of your Proton Mail account, from personal information to security settings. Once you've opened the Settings menu, look for the option labeled All Settings. Clicking on All Settings will take you to a more comprehensive menu where we can make the necessary adjustments to your account's recovery options. Now, within this expanded settings menu, you should see a category titled Recovery. This is where you'll manage your recovery email settings. Click on Recovery to proceed to the next screen. On the Recovery page, you'll find an option to manage your recovery email address. This is the crucial step where you'll input the email address you want to use as your recovery contact. Make sure this is an email address you have access to and, ideally, one that is secure and regularly monitored. Enter the email address in the designated field and save your changes to complete the setup. And there you have it! You've successfully set up a recovery email for your Proton Mail account. This small but important action ensures that if you ever lose access to your account, you have a reliable way to recover it. Remember, keeping your recovery information up to date is vital for maintaining the security of your online accounts. Make sure to periodically check and update this information as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Until next time, stay secure and happy emailing.